guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will be reviewing this Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil and this Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel Brow Mascara. So these are both a mini because, you know guys, I always love a mini size for my makeup bag. For example, if I will go outside, I prefer to use smaller bags. This looks like a magic wand. Also this one. The shade is good. It's really blonde shade. Oh my gosh, it's super soft. Oh, they're gone now. Guys, I really cannot find the product, but there's still a little product remaining here. See, this is the only product remaining here. I hate it when this happens. This is a little pricey compared to some drugstore brand. Yeah, this happens. I'm scared to break this again.
Not good value for money, really. If this is like 150 pesos, I will understand. But it's not. It's a little pricey.
Since I don't have brow hairs here, you can see it's like little faded because the shade is blonde. Because I bought this before when my hair is super lightly colored. But it's okay. The color is good. It's really blonde. This is how it looks like on my brows. And then the other side where there is no brow hairs. Now let's try this Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Gel, if this will really give volume to our brows.
Oh, okay. I like this. It coats my brow hairs a little, but it's not giving like too much product. But it will not give you like super blonde color. It will just make your eyebrows like ashy, as you can see. This matches my hair right now. It's okay for my hair, but then if my hair is super light, like super blonde, I think this shade still look dark. But right now it's okay. I can match this with my hair right now. It's good.
Okay, so this is how it looks like. The direction of my brow hairs is really going down, and at the same time, my microblading is really not even. I don't know, they had hard time putting tattoos on my brows, so it's not really even. So my brows is little lower here, but this brow gel, when I made the stroke upwards, it helps my brow hair to go up. So now my brows looks little even.
Overall, I think their mini size is not the best value for money, but if you want to still try the brow pencil, I would suggest to buy the full price so you will have the free brows fully installed. For me, brow pencil must not be that expensive. I don't know because I tried many good brands that doesn't cost much. For the shade of blonde, it really gives that blonde color which is hard to find in other affordable brands. If you think it's too light for you while you have light blonde hair, you can put darker shades at the end of your brows and use lighter shade at the beginning of the brows, or just simply blend the dark shades from the end of your brows to the start if you don't like to buy two shades of brown products at the same time. Let's move on to the brow mascara. I have mixed emotions on this because their darker shades are good, but this blonde shade did not meet my expectation. As this did not color my brows, this just makes my brows ashy, but yeah, no color. But in taming the brow hairs, I can say it's a good product. Overall, I can say these products are good. It's just about choosing the right shades, but I can say that there are more affordable products available that works exactly the same as this, and sometimes even better. But I did not regret buying them as I really like the packaging and the size is so cute.
So I think guys that's it for now, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!